Welcome to Taipei!
You're watching the Fantastic Four.
Hey guys, we are in Taiwan. We're in Taipei right now and got in the other day. Last night we explored the city a bit and we went and found a restaurant. You saw some of our crazy cafes in Japan. Well, this might have taken the cake.
We're at the modern toilet. Modern toilet. Autumn and I are so disturbed right now. We are sitting on toilets and underneath us, underneath our table, look what we have to look at while we eat. This is how Autumn feels about it. This is how I feel about it. Really? That's how Mitch feels about it.
How do you feel about it?
Eden, are you excited?
Yeah.
Eden is our junior high boy, along with Mitchell, who is also a junior high boy. I just want to know who sat down and thought the world needs a toilet-themed restaurant. Who comes up with this? Why are we here? Why? Why? That's all we have to say about this.
That was our experience yesterday at the Modern Toilet. Today we are off. We're going to have a classic Taiwanese meal, some dumplings, and then we're going to search out the original location of bubble tea.
We ordered some, it's pork Xiao Long Bao. Xiao Long Bao. I'm not exactly sure if I'm saying that correctly. But anyway, there's a special way to eat them. You have to make this sauce, and then you dip it in the sauce, and then you put it in a spoon, and you poke it, and then you eat it. So I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna try to demonstrate. So first, we do 1 part soy sauce to 3 parts vinegar. Okay. And then you take one of the, have to be careful, Xiao Long Bao, and you dip it in the sauce. And then you take it out of the sauce and you poke it. And well, there's supposed to be a bunch of broth that comes out. Oh, there it is, starting to come out there. Oh, there, you can see that broth in there. And then you take a piece of the ginger from the sauce, and you put it on top, and then you're supposed to eat it. But you're supposed to be careful because it's hot. So good. Wow. Definitely recommend. We are at the base of Taipei 101 right now. It's not too busy right now. We're getting ready to go in, and we're gonna go ride the fastest elevator in the world. It goes upwards at
55 feet per second. You can get to the top. There's 101 floors, hence the name. So you can get from the first floor to the 101st floor. I believe it's like 38 miles per hour, 37 miles per hour, something like that. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. So right now we're at Chun Chai Tang, and this is the original chain of shops that started bubble tea in 1987. This, where we're at right now, isn't the exact original store, but it's part of the chain of stores that started bubble tea. So this is like real, authentic Taiwanese bubble tea, and it is delicious.
Hey guys, we're wrapping up our day here in Taipei, and we're wrapping up with our favorite street food. These are churros from Street Churros, and this is the second time we've had them in like 3 days, and we'll probably go back before we leave. But we're just sitting out here in this plaza listening to some interesting music, which will play at the very end. But thanks for joining us, we really appreciate it. And Autumn, what do we tell them?
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We have more awesome videos coming. And comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.